Hello friends, I am Ritesh Sonone. In this lecture, we will discuss about conversion of mole to Mealy machine. We already know that the Moore machine is nothing but the output symbol depends on the present state, and the Mealy machine is nothing but the output symbol is depends on the present state as well as input symbol. In this video, we will discuss about how to convert mole to Mealy machine. Converting Moore to its equivalent Mealy is possible. Similarly, for every Mealy machine, there exists and can be constructed an equivalent Moore machine. Now, if M1 is a Moore machine, the tuples are Q, sigma, output alphabet, delta, del, lambda and Q0. Then its equivalent Mealy machine is M2 is equal to Q, sigma, output alphabet, delta, del, lambda dash and Q0. Here, if we convert Moore to Mealy machine, the lambda function is changed because by the definition of Moore machine, the output symbol depends on the present state, and the Mealy machine, the output symbol depends on the present state as well as input symbol. Here, the lambda state function is changed. The lambda function of Moore machine is the Q, it produces the output symbol, and the Mealy machine for lambda function is the Q into sigma, it produces the output symbol. Here we find out the lambda dash function, where lambda dash QA is, Q is the states and A is the input symbol. Lambda dash QA is equal to lambda del QA, where lambda is a state function and del is a transition function. The lambda produces the output and the del produces the states. Now we will discuss about the example of Moore to Mealy conversion. The example is, consider Moore machine for finding residue mod 3. In previous video, we already construct the Moore machine for residue mod 3. Now, by using this diagram, we can construct the del transition function table and lambda state function table, where the states are nothing but Q0, Q1 and Q2, and the output alphabet delta is equal to 0, 1 and 2. In this diagram, the Q0, it will produce the output 0, the Q1, it will produce the output 1, and Q2, it will produce the output 2. The output symbols are 0, 1 and 2. The state function del for this Moore machine is shown in the table. That is, the del Q into sigma, it produces the Q. Similarly, the machine function lambda is shown in a table. That is, the Q, it produces the output alphabet. Now we have to convert this Moore machine to equivalent Mealy machine with the del state function and lambda machine function table. But here is the change in the lambda dash function. The lambda machine function we find out by using this formula, lambda dash QA is equal to lambda del QA. We can write the lambda dash Q0 on 0 input symbol, lambda del Q0 on 0. The del Q0 on 0 input symbol is nothing but Q0. We can see the transition table for del function. Then lambda Q0, it will produce the output 0. Similarly, we find out the lambda Q0 on 1 input symbol, lambda Q1 on 0 input symbol, lambda Q1 on 1 input symbol, lambda Q2 on 0 input symbol, and lambda Q2 on 1 input symbol. By using this lambda dash function, we can construct the new lambda machine function table, that is lambda q into sigma. It produces output alphabet delta. State function is the same as Moore machine. The Mealy machine, only the lambda function table it changes. The lambda function table is q into sigma. It produces the output symbol. Here is the Q0 on 0 input symbol. It will produce the output 0. Same as Q0 on 1 input symbol, it will produce the output 1. Same as Q1 on 0 input symbol, it will produce the output 2. Q1 on 1 input symbol, it will produce the output 0. Q2 on 0 input symbol, it will produce the output 1. Q2 on 1 input symbol, it will produce the output 2. By using state function table del and machine function table lambda, we can construct a Moore machine. The transition diagram is shown in a figure. Now the next example of Moore to Mealy conversion. Construct a Mealy machine equivalent to the Moore machine given below. The present states are Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Inputs are 0 and 1. Outputs are 0 and 1. The Q0, it will produce the output 0. Q1, it will produce the output 1. Q2, it will produce the output 0. And Q3, it will produce the output 0. By using this table, we can construct the state function table del and machine function table lambda. These are the transition table of Moore machine. The del state function table and the lambda machine function table. We find out the lambda machine function table, lambda dash qa is equal to lambda del qa. We find out the lambda dash q0 on 0 input symbol, on 1 input symbol, lambda dash q1 on 0 input symbol and 1 input symbol, same as the lambda dash q2 on 0 input symbol and on 1 input symbol, and lambda dash q3 on 0 input symbol and 1 input symbol. This table shows Mealy machine transition table. The del is a state function table and the lambda is a machine function table. Del function table is same as a Moore machine. Only the lambda function table, machine function table changes here. Transition diagram for the equivalent Mealy machine can be shown in figure. By using transition table, we can construct the transition diagram. Here, the output is associated with the transition. That is, it depends on the state making the transition as well on what input the transition is. Thus, for Moore machine, output sequence contains one more than the symbols in input sequence, while Mealy output sequence contains exactly the same number of symbols as in input sequence. Next lecture, we will discuss about Mealy to Moore machine. Thank you.